We got the 1981 Topps baseball cards in a rack pack. So Pat Underwood, we got Bob Baylor, Mike Ivy, and it looks like, what is it? So it's saying like it's like 3 for 68 cents. Who knows? So it looks like Alan Trammell's going to be that back one. Someone named Mike Krukow. Yeah, he does the Giants broadcast. Manny somebody. So it's like 48-bit cards. And 1982 would actually go to 51 cards. That's that one. So let's see here. You got Kirk Gibson, got Harold Baines, you got a Mike Scioscia. That's a Future Stars with Fernando Valenzuela. And then you got a Tim Raines rookie card. That's with the Expos, Future Stars. They would do that a lot in the early 70s. And then I think it was like about 73, they would do pretty much do away with team ones. They would do the National League and American League ones combined. So anyhow, let's see what we get. So like I said, there's Pat Underwood, Jim Beattie, Dick Davis, Reggie Cleveland, and then they have that little hat. And there's kind of sort of the back of the card. Johnny Walkenfuss. Got Marvis Foley. And there's the AL Championships. The real sweep the Yankees. With George Brett on the card. And they, basically have a game 1, 2, and 3. Best of 5. And there's Kevin Saucier, Ed Glenn, Dave Lemonzis, whatever. Mike Barker, he had a pretty good career. And the other two guys, Ed Halicki, Bert Campaneris of the Angels, not Oakland A's. He played there a lot of time, for most of the times. Got three championships. Dyer Miller, Dale Robinson, and then the Giants, nobody's. Manny Sarmiento. I probably butchered that name. Hopefully I'll live. So we go with Mike Ivy, Keith Hernandez, Bob Horner, Pat Zachary, Ed Ott, Pete Lecoq, Willie Aikens, Bruce Boschetti. I know that's not the same guy that won, Bruce Bochy, from the Texas Rangers. Managers is the different one, different spelling. Toby Harrah, Jerry White, Junior Kennedy, Jorge Orta, Tim Blackwell, got Bill Russell All-Star, Wayne Gross, Dave Concepcion, Alan Trammell. So far, nothing really outstanding. That might be the best one so far. Cut that a little bit more. And let's see what we got in our last pack. So there's Bob Baylor, Al Williams, Champ Summers, Bill Bonham, Greg Minton, Doug Capilla, Brett Burns, there's Craig Naggles, Jack Broheimer, Ron Davis, Don Sutton, Frank Tanana, Jim Rice. That's not too bad. Well, I mean, nothing. Oh my gosh, Mike Tyson. Ron Mike Tyson. Bob Boone. And then we got Tom Hare and Mike Krukow. So it looks like probably the best ones are going to be those two, Jim Rice, Alan Trammell, and then George Brett. And there's actually Shadow there. Royal Sweet Yankees. And Shadow wants to say hi. There he is. That is Shadow. Only the Shadow knows.